Yeah, have a good day. In today's video, we will discuss that how to write a program. If you want to make the given numbers in ascending order, then how can we write it? Now, firstly, the program is being displayed onto the screen. It's a complete program which is being already made by me. Provide the timing. Now, firstly, I'm going to explain it. In the first three lines, actually, you are taking the three numbers from your user. User will enter the number because we know that every time the by default input function will take the input from the user in the string format, but we have to convert it into integer. That's why I have taken int function here. So this string given by the user will be converted into the integer, but it must be remember that the enter number must be a number. Entered input must be a number. So that will be converted into integer. Now we will get the three integers from the users having a name num1, num2 and num3. Now we will compare it with the help of the if condition. In this program we are using the if condition in which firstly we will use num1. We will check whether this first number is greater than the second and first number is greater than the third. And this and keyword, that is the logical operator. It will be it will show you that when the both the condition will be true, then it will enter into this if condition. Otherwise, it will move to the next elif part. So there are the different conditions, there are different blocks on the basis of the condition. So firstly, it will check whether the given number 1 that is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3. That means if the given number first number is greatest between the three, in that case it will move to this part. Now num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3. Now num1 is the greatest number. Now it's clear for us. If it will enter into this part, then that means num1 is the greatest number. So now you will check only num2 and num3. Now that is a simple program. That's if num2 is greater than num3, in that case the second number will become the medium number. That is at the second position, and num3 is the lowest one. So the if num2 is greater than num3, otherwise, and you will check whether num2 is equal to num3. If both the numbers are equal, then you will see that the first number is the greatest one, while other two numbers are equal. Similarly, in the else part, otherwise, if both the conditions are not true, that means if n2 is greater than neither greater than nor equal to num3, in that case, it will move to the else part. Now, in this else part, it will check. Now, it will give the output that the num1 is greatest, num3 is the second number, and the num2 that is the lowest number. Similarly, in this condition, you have checked that if the first number is the greatest one, then then the program will move to this statement of block of statements. Now, if the condition is changed, suppose the second number is the greatest one. Now, the same technique will be used in this condition, and you will check if the second number is the greatest. Yes, if it is, then you will check whether the num1 is greater than or equal to num3. If it is greater than or equal to, then it will move to this condition or it will move to this condition. Otherwise, it will move to the else part. The explanation for this portion, this portion is same like the first portion. Similarly, if the number 3 is the greatest one, in that case it will move to the this part. Now in this case we have checked, you can see in this case we have checked if any one of the number is the greatest number, then you will move to these conditions. And again in the body statement you are checking the remaining two numbers, which one is greater, or if both the numbers are equal, then it will give you the output. But if all the three numbers are equal, then what will be there? So it will move to the else part, because we have already covered all the conditions in the above part. So you will move to the else part. If all the three numbers are equal, then it will show you that all the three numbers are equal. Now we are going to execute it. Currently I'm using PyCharm, and in this case you will just run this by clicking on this button or Shift F10. You can see it is asking for enter the first number. Now suppose I am entering the first number is 48. Now the second number is 0 and third number is minus 56. Now according to you, it is which one is the greatest? 48, then 0, then 56. Now the order must be like this, which is okay. Now again we are taking up another trial. Suppose I am taking this time I am taking two numbers equal, that is minus 25, enter, minus 25, enter. Now the third one is 35. Now in all of the three, number 35 is the greatest one. So 31 will come first, and after that minus 25, second number and number will be equal. Now let's check it. Whenever we press enter, it will show the output. 35 is the greatest one and minus 25 is equal to minus 50. Now similarly, I am taking the third case here. Suppose all the three numbers are equal, 23, 23, 23, then it will show you that all the three numbers are equal. So on the basis of the, if the three numbers are being given by the user, then on the basis of this program, you may apply to arrange all the three numbers in ascending order. And if you want to take it in a descending order, then in the program you will make each greater sign convert into less than sign. Okay, now that will be the program to arrange the three numbers in ascending order. I hope so that the point and the function will be clear to you. For here, now I'm just going to show you all the programs at once again. This is my program. Okay, and all of these are the conditions. It is based on the if conditions. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any comment, if you have any doubt in this, please then you me give the comment in the chat box. Definitely we will share the response to it. Thank you. Good.